Hello everyone, I am Vijay Moy Shrimal, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Jagannath University. Today we are discussing the unit number 5, that name is Transaction Processing System, Decision Support System and the Executive Support System. The subject name is Management Information System and the subject code is OLMBA 202. The topics covered in this unit are the introduction, transaction processing system, decision support system and executive support system. Transaction processing system, what is this? Basically the transaction processing system is also called the TPS in the short form, is an information processing system for business transaction involving the collection, modification and the retrieval of all transactions data. Characteristics of the TPS include performance, reliability and the consistency. TPS is also known as the transaction processing or the real-time processing system. Every firm needs to process transaction in order to perform their daily business operations. A transaction refers to any event or activity that affects the organization. So these are the examples of the transaction include the order entry, receipt of goods, shipping in the form of bank systems. Transaction include deposits and withdrawals, cashing of the checks. These are the maintained through the transaction processing system. This is a diagram which shows the transaction processing system with the help of management information system. It is when a business is growing, when a business is creating, there are order file, production master file and accounting file. There are different types of the files which further go for the order processing system, material resource planning system, journal ledger system. These all files are gathered at the MIS database where sales database, unit product cost database, product change database and expenses database are available, where these all files are included. Finally it go for the managers through the form of report systems. So the reports which represents the transactions, which type of the transactions is coming and it is going on in the system. Decision support system. Decision support system is an interactive computer based information system that, like MIS, also serves at the management level of an organization. However, it contrasts to MIS. It processes information to support the decision making process of managers. So the benefits of the decisions are first gone to the managers. It provides middle managers with the information that enables them to make the intelligent decisions. This is the diagram which represents the decision support system in a crop environment. For this, decisions is required in the crop system where plant, pest and disease, weather and soil, and there is also a database. So DSS performs expert knowledge, interpretations, advice and finally the decision making, and this decision making is performed on the plant, pest and diseases, weather and soil through the actions. Executive support system. An executive support system is a computer based information system that helps in decision making at the top level of an organization. Features of the executive information system. There are so many features which represents the executive features of the executive information system. Drill down capabilities designed with the management critical success factors in mind. Personalized analysis, navigation of information, graphical and textual information, status access, trends analysis, exception reportings. These all are the features of the executive support system in an organization. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.